Good evening, sir.
Okay, so very good evening, my all dear brothers and sisters from my wonderful country, Bharat. And we have been coming on this platform for last 3 months, and now we are family. Today is the last day of our season one, and we had an amazing journey, and now we are very close to each other. Okay, so today I would like to invite
Yes, sir.
Mr. Nageshwar Rao, sir, because he has written a nice song for our platform, for our online class. So I request Nageshwar Rao, sir, please, you can come with your daughter also to sing that song, which is written by you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, all of you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. So this afternoon, I wrote this song. While I was practicing, my daughters also came to me and said they also wish to sing this song. So we practiced uh, this song.
Together.
I wrote, yeah. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Right? 1, 2, 3, start. We are all grateful to the weekend store. We are all grateful to the weekend store. We were improved. We were improved by your kind blessings which are with us. By your kind blessings which are with us. You made us what we are not before. You made us what we are not before. Thank you for making. Thank you for making. We got full confidence we can anything. We got full confidence we can anything. We say thank you to Prakasa for having us. We say thank you to Prakasa for having us. We learned grammar, we learned backup, we learned conversation as well. We learned speaking, we learned hosting, we learned public speaking as well. These are all things because of you.
Oh,
Oh
disconnected.
my God. Excellent, excellent, excellent.
Disconnected.
Yeah,
Yeah.
what a great
Thank you, sir.
dedication.
These are all things because of you. Only these are all things because of you. We love our weekends too. We love our weekends too. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Wow, great, great, great.
Wow,
Excellent.
great.
Very beautiful.
Super.
This is
Amazing,
called
sir.
creativity.
Thank you.
We want this type of education. Creativity,
Yes.
not copying and paste. You
Thank
must
you, sir.
have freedom to express your ideas. You must have freedom to express what you feel about anything. Okay,
Yes, sir.
yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, so what I was thinking few days ago, we have 40 or 50 students in our classroom. Some are good singers, some are good painters, some are good speakers, and some are good helpers. You are teaching about the Maharana Pratap, or you are teaching about Shivaji Maharaj. Then don't tell them to do the same activity. If you are interested in singing a song or making a song, then tell them to make a song, your own song on Maharana Pratap or Shivaji Maharaj. If you are interested in drawing, then tell them to draw a picture of Maharana Pratap or Shivaji Maharaj. And if you don't have that activity, then just make a project work in a group. But show your creativity and learn yourselves. And show whatever you feel about Maharana Pratap and Shivaji Maharaj. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. But
Yes,
we
sir.
are told to the same activity, whether you are interested or not. Then how can we pass this whole thing? Okay, now what is the reality of now in India? Though you are graduate, though you are engineer, but you don't have practical knowledge, zero practical knowledge. That's why we are not ahead in the in the production.
One.
Yeah. China is better than us, definitely, without any doubt. China is better than us because they have different education system, and we are using the Makolo education system. We are not updating ourselves, our education system. That's why. And
Still we are following.
few days ago, I studied after completing my post graduation. When I completed my education, then I started real learning. So when
Yes, sir.
I left the education, then I started learning. And that's why every time I say teaching is impossible, learning is possible. Why teaching is not possible? You know that method is not good. Perfect. So I'm so surprised. I'm so happy with Nageswar dedication, because when he made a song, you know, proper rhythm, proper words. Great, great. Yeah, Santa madam.
Thank you, sir.
So you must have some. We must appreciate Nageswar's work song. Yeah. So
Yes,
say
sir.
something about that.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, all. Nageshwara sir really make a good poem, good song for us, for our institute also. We have. I would like to appreciate him very well. In the afternoon, we both have a conversation, but sir didn't tell to me. Even he wrote
Thank
a.
you, thank you. Because at that time, you called me. That time I was writing that song. That's why
Okay,
what
okay,
you tell,
sir.
after you tell
Whatever.
you.
Okay, no problem, sir. Whatever it is, you wrote very well, sir, and your daughters also participating very well. Really, we have creative persons in our platform. So, thank you very much, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you. You're
Okay.
welcome.
So I think his family members know us very well.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, definitely, sir. Yeah.
Once
Obviously.
sir said to us, their daughters also sit with him when he participated in the platform.
Really.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
So they are also the part of our family. Yeah. So Kalpana madam.
Thank you, sir. Good evening. Good evening to all of you. Sir has made a song for us. Really appreciable. And we love to your daughters also.
Thank
And
you, ma'am.
very nice. Actually, I'm suffering from mouth ulcer, so couldn't speak properly. So,
Okay.
but you have done very appreciable song. Really, thank you so much.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
But though she is on this platform, that's great. Okay. So let's go to Rajkumar Jaiswal. Yesterday he was traveling, but he did not miss our class. He tried to attend our class. That's great, great thing. Rajkumar Jaiswal. So few lines for Nageshwar Rao about his dedication, about his work, about his creativity. Yeah, Rajkumar Jaiswal, where are you? Yeah. Then Sheila madam, then Ruchi madam, be ready. Yeah, Sheila madam.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, all. I'm also suffering last 2 days for cough, but today I am able to talk with others. And Nageshwar sir, first of all, congratulations. You told us you wrote songs, and we listened today your song. You have such a God gift. God gives you such a wonderful gift. Writing is a
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
writing words in a song is such a wonderful thing, and congratulations to you.
Thank
Yeah.
you, ma'am. Thank
And
you.
thank you
Yes,
so
madam.
much. You wrote for us such a wonderful song.
Yeah, thank you.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, all. Great work, Nageshwar Raoji. We like your song very much, and you
Thank-
explain about our institution very nicely. And your daughter also participate with you. It's great.
Thank you, ma'am.
Our children learn from us. It's very good. You
Yeah.
take your daughter with you, and we like
Actually,
your song very much.
thank you. Actually, my daughter also sometimes sing with me. They too sing one song about one girl child. I earlier said to you about one girl child. That's my daughter also sang that song, but in Telugu. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so
And
that's
I,
great.
I and I also thanks to Pankaj. Today he created our WhatsApp group.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Pankaj, thank you.
Okay, ma'am. It's my pleasure, ma'am. No need to say thanks.
Yeah, I also you created one fantastic group.
Okay.
Yeah, actually,
So,
everybody. Yeah, Mr. Pankaj.
Sir, I want to say something about Nageshwar sir. Actually, he was his song was very superb, and I think I was feeling a little bit of emotional when he or his daughter sung that song, because this is first time I'm speechless, because you all know that I'm very talkative. But this is first time I ever seen that two little girls come with her parents, with her father, and sing song for this type of platform. I think it's goosebump moment for all of us, and I can't believe that this song again and again beating in my ears. Thank you very much to both of the little and cute girls. And sir, you also, I think after seeing this type of environment on this screen, I think your home's environment was tremendous, sir. Super.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so actually everyone is excited to say something about that, but today is the last day and I have made a long list to share with you, and in the second session, without any recording, we are going to discuss. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Okay.
Yesterday's also video I did not upload it on YouTube because it was not about education, just it was a discussion about our platform. That's why I have not uploaded that video.
Sir,
Yeah.
I have one request to you. Actually, I was absent last 2 days, and I am very much interested to watch that video. So please, it's my humble request to you. Please upload that video also on YouTube.
Yeah, madam, it was only the discussion about our future plan. There was no learning, there was no discussion about any English topic. That's why.
Okay. And one more request to Pankaj sir also. I am also interested to join WhatsApp group. So please, could you please join me on that group?
Yeah, sure. I'm sharing my number and mail ID again today. Then you can ping me, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
But Pankaj sir, what I am saying, it would be better if you WhatsApp group link is there, na, you can share with the Prakash sir and he can put in the chat box so that we can join from here itself, if it is possible.
Yeah, it is also good, but most of participants are also added there. So I think if someone want to join, then he or she can join by my number. That is
Okay,
good.
sure. Sure.
Yeah. And now I would like to go to Anup Delhi. You missed yesterday's class, but actually I shared the IDs and password for 3 days.
Actually, it was my mistake. I did not read
Yeah.
all the mail you sent to me. That was my mistake. So I requested to Nageshwar sir today to send me the mail ID.
Okay. And one more thing. Actually, if anybody wants to miss this class, then they can join 4 to 5. Also, I have a class with children. Okay. And 5:15 to 6:15 also I have a class with same ID and password. But I teach grammar topics on my platform and they are my students. Okay, but if
I
you think that
definitely
just I
try
want
to
to
join,
watch
sir.
something, I want to connect with, then they can come on this platform. Okay,
Yes,
with same
yes,
ID
sir.
and
We
password.
are interested.
Then you can see how I
Thank
teach.
you, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Monday to Friday, 4 to 5. Okay, 4 to 5 is a better class to join if you want to join, because they are advanced students. Though they are in the 5th and 6th standard, but they are advanced because they have been learning from me for 1 year.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sir, what is the ID for that then?
Same ID. This is my personal ID.
Same ID.
My class
Okay,
ID.
sure,
Okay.
sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, and congratulations to you, sir. I saw
Why?
one video. You told us you got account number or
Yeah.
account ID.
Yeah.
Yeah, for that that reason.
Okay, really.
Congratulations.
And that's why I bought a bicycle for me also from that money.
Oh,
Today.
congrats, sir.
Yeah. I want to burn my extra calories.
Yeah,
And
Great,
it's
sir.
eco-friendly
Good,
also,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Okay, so shall we start now?
Yes, sir,
Yes,
sure.
Because
sir.
I'm excited to share this whole thing today with you because these are nice topic. Yeah. Can you see on your screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank God I'm not alone. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So what is the function? Express relief. Express relief. Thank God I'm not alone. That's the title of our topic. And function of this use is the express relief. Thank
Relief.
God there is no serious injury.
No serious injury.
Yeah. So when you met with an accident and there is no injury, then you can say, thank God there is no injury, serious injury.
yes.
Yeah. And one more situation I want to share. Okay, you are preparing for exam and you have a double mind. Should I prepare this question or not? Should I prepare this question or not? And you decide to prepare that. And next day in the exam, same question is asked. Then thank God I prepared this. I wanted to skip this question. Thank God.
Yes.
Thank God here is a petrol pump. Thank God here is a petrol pump. Thank God you are here. Thank God we don't have a problem. Thank God your brother has money. Thank God she didn't find out. Thank God she left early. Thank God it was not your mistake. Thank God we are learning English on this platform. Thank God you are working. Thank God I'm not working with John. Thank God you are my friend. Thank God you are okay. And thank God she is cute. Thank God my friend is cool. And thank God today is Friday. Now, is it clear?
Yes.
You can make
Yes, sir.
hundreds of
Yes, sir.
sentences now. So who wants to make? Thank God. Nityanand.
Yes, sir. Thank God I got this platform, sir.
Thank God I got this platform. Wow, wonderful, wonderful. Wonderful sentence. Yeah, Geeta madam.
Thank God I can learn with Prakash sir.
Okay. And thank God Sagar Patil is here again. Because actually we had misunderstanding, miscommunication, and we are not able to organize our one-to-one conversation. Yes or no, Sagar
No
Patil?
issues, sir. I can understand. Yes, sir. I can understand, sir.
Yeah. So
Because
tomorrow we
I
can
have read
arrange.
your
Okay, no
all
problem.
emails.
And one more option
Okay,
is
sir.
open for us. Today, Ruchi madam also called me, but
Yes, sir.
that time I was ready to go to market.
Yeah.
Yeah. That time I was going to market to buy bicycle, then some grocery for my family.
Okay.
So did you get bicycle, sir?
Yeah.
Super, sir. Last year I also bought a bicycle.
But you have to use it.
Yeah, daily I'm using, madam. Actually,
Yeah.
I didn't like bike and all.
Sagar Patil was missing for some days.
Sir? Yes, ma'am. Actually, I had an interview. I was preparing for that. And actually,
Good luck.
it has got postponed, and that's why I think this is the last session of this season. That's why I'm here
Yes.
today. Yeah.
Okay, that's great.
Okay, and for personal interview, you can use the same ID and password, but you have to send me message. This time I want to connect with you. Okay, 9 to 11 I am free. Most of days 9 to 11 I am free, so I can arrange my conversation 9 to 11.
Okay, sir.
Which 9 to 11, sir?
Sorry.
9 to 11 is in morning or
morning
night,
time? Morning time. I am not free in the evening. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So may I?
Yeah, definitely.
Thank God today you made dinner. I am very tired.
Wow.
Thank God I am joining this. I was joined this platform.
Okay, I joined
Thank
this
God.
platform.
Thank God my exam paper was so easy. I would pass. Thank God I found the key. Thank God my semester almost over.
Yeah. So now Alok Jaina, wonderful sentences we have made, nice sentences. You can understand the concept of this structure and how to use it. You know that Alok Jaina has also the request. I think he sent me a mass email. Send me an email to have a conversation, one-to-one conversation. Okay. So Sagar Patil and Alok Jaina, I think you both are ready tomorrow morning.
Yes, sir. I'm ready, sir.
Yeah.
I have been waiting for a long day.
Yeah, and one thing I want to share with you, Jyoti Raga. Yesterday she joined us, but it was my mistake. I could not give her chance to speak, and today she is absent. Actually, I made a mind. I decided to.
No, sir. Sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I am Jyoti. I joined through my mobile. I have some issue with the laptop, so I joined through my phone. And it's okay, sir. No issue. For yesterday.
No, you know, all great people are here. all not the narrow-minded people here. Sir, you are not giving me chance, and you are giving only few selected people. I don't like this platform. Yeah,
It's
Alok
not
Jaina,
like that, sir.
yeah, Alok Jaina.
Yes,
Make
sir.
3 sentences by using the structure.
So after that, thanks God.
Yeah, Sehjad Anwar, be ready after that.
Thanks God, I have got chance to converse with one-to-one conversations.
Yeah.
Yes, and thanks God, I have learned many things from this institute, Weekend Institute.
Okay. And thank God you are on this platform. The great people are on this platform.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Actually, I have not found that this type of institute in my student life. Actually, it is a very useful for me, and I'm very happy to hear.
Okay, so when you complete one chain of these all structures, you will have a great fluency of English. Then you can speak with native English speakers with confidence.
May I, sir?
Yes,
May I, sir?
Shahzad Anwar first. Shahzad Anwar.
Yes, good evening, sir. Sir, thank God I was not there during. Thank God I am in this platform, in this amazing platform, Weekend Institute. Thank God I have realized my mistake on time.
That's great. That's great. Now, Sheila Madam.
Sir, can I?
Okay.
Yeah, Shanta Madam. Then Sheila Madam.
Okay.
Thank God. Thank God. I received today's ID and password. Thank God. The servant maid come to clean the utensils. Thank God the dog not bite me. Sir, here I have a doubt. Sir?
Yeah.
When you explain this expression, thank God I am not alone. You used all the present tense sentences
No,
only.
anything you can say. Thank God I prepared that question. Also, you can say, thank God I prepared that question.
Thank you.
Yeah, Sheila Madam. Then, okay. Then Rajkumar Jaiswal be ready and Kayur also be ready. Then, Rajkumar Jaiswal is a great confident. He can announce his name himself here. And next is Rajkumar. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, next. Sheila Madam.
Thank you, sir. I wrote 6 sentences. First sentence is for you, sir. Thank God, Prakash sir started online English learning classes. Second sentence, thank God, we had wonderful conversation. Third sentence, thank God, lockdown is continue in Pune up to 23 July. Next, thank God, he completed his drawing. Next, thank God, sir gives us chance one-to-one conversation. And last sentence, my last sentence is for Pankaj sir. Thank God, Pankaj sir created WhatsApp group. So whenever I want to talk in English, I will connect with all such a wonderful friends. That's all, sir.
Rajkumar Jaiswal, wonderful sentence, really very live, and I want this type of things, creativity, live thing in our education. What is taught in our school? These are the sentence, copy and paste and speak the same sentences. How is it possible?
Yeah.
What is your creativity? Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
Rajkumar Jaiswal.
Thank you, sir. Actually, first of all, I would thank to you to giving me chance on this platform. Thank God, Prakash sir created this Zoom meeting. Prakash sir made this Zoom meeting platform so that we made our lockdown session as a productive session. Thank God, yesterday I was in flight and cabin crew members, he announced because of the weather condition, everyone should be tighten your seat belt. Thank God, I came from Varanasi to my hometown. That time, my bus, they made repaired. It was bus down, but they made repair within 1 hour. Thank God, I safely reached my home. Thank you, sir.
Great, 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 great. Yeah, KU
May I,
Gujarat.
sir?
KU Gujarat.
I would
Yes,
like
sir.
also.
Yes, sir.
May I, sir?
May I,
Thank
sir?
God I have got
I
chance.
also.
Oh, no.
Thank God my exam has postponed. Thank God you came early. Thank God you have extra spare key. And I also want to say that cricket nowadays started in England versus Indies. So many cricketers thinking nowadays that thank God cricket has finally started. Thank you.
Okay.
May I, sir?
Yes, Samir.
Yeah, Geeta madam
After.
and
May
Jyoti madam and
sir?
yeah.
Thank God I have got a wonderful full family like Weekend Institute. Thank God I am alive to thank God. Thank God I have good luck. Thank God I get food daily, every day. Thank God I can get. Thank God we can get a. I have got a good son. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah.
So good.
Yeah.
I know.
May I start?
Ilarani, you will get a full time in second session. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Okay,
sir.
that's why I'm not
Thank
giving
you.
you. Okay, Jyoti Raga.
Yes, yes. Thank you, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank God my family is very supportive and nice. Thank God I met great teachers and friends like you all. Thank God now all people know well how to take care of ourselves in this pandemic. Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
May
And
I, sir?
Papia has also not got a chance to speak, but in the second session, okay, the second session will be yours. I promise you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Ravindra
May I, sir?
Prayagraj and Ravindra Prasad also, I know that you have not got chance. Anu Delhi also has not got chance. But second session will
Me
be
also, sir.
yours.
Okay.
Okay, Sagar Patil also.
Me also, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, now who is ready with sentences?
May I, sir?
Yeah, Yogesh Mishra.
Sir, I also ready.
Yes, sir. Thank God
Sir,
we get a chance to join your platform. Thank God we got such a generous people on this platform. Thank God lockdown had been started before spreading COVID-19.
Yeah.
It's also.
Yeah, very Srivani now. Srivani is not. Yeah, Srivani is here in the second page. We have 28 speakers today. That's why she's on different page. Yeah, Srivani.
may I, sir?
Yeah, Parmar Milan, then be ready. Okay, Srivani, then Parmar Milan.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Good evening to all and good evening to sir. My first sentence, thank God it isn't likely to rain. Thank God the shop hasn't closed yet.
Majid.
Thank God she didn't get angry with me. Thank God the government has declared lockdown. Thank God I was able to join this platform today since there was no problem with internet.
Yeah, Parmar Milan, very nice, Srivani. Super.
Okay.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
God you invite me because today is, I think, last session. Then after, thank God I have a job because current situation is very tough. And third one, thank God I at my home because rain is going on. Am I right, sir?
Absolutely correct. I can see confidence. I can see accuracy in your
Okay.
English today. Wow, great.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so now, yeah, Ilarani, you have enough time. We have 2 minutes, and that's enough.
Okay, thank you, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening, all. Thank God I joined Weekend Institute. Thank God my parents are safe at home now. Thank God our job is safe here. Thank God I got so many friends here. Thank God I have got chance to speak. So thank you, sir.
May I, sir?
Yeah, Subhasri.
Ilarani, could I
Yes,
ask
sir.
one question? Ilarani,
Yes,
ma'am.
sure.
Is there a job and security in the US also?
No, that's why I said thank God our job is safe now, because it's very tough situation for
Thank
IT
God
or
you saved
any
us.
Oh,
FD.
still, I mean, the means job security in USA also. In USA
Yes,
also. Okay,
yes, it's not secure now. People are going back to India.
okay. Actually, I think that of immigrant visa also, some people they are going to get it figured out.
Yes, yes. Some are converting their visa to V2,
Yes,
to
yes,
visitor visa to stay here.
yes, 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 yes. Thank
Yes.
you.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, Subhasri.
Welcome.
Yes, sir. Thank God I am here. Thank God India is going to make a vaccine. Thank God there is sorry. Thanks God you are here. Thanks God today CBSE board result declared.
Okay. So that's
Sorry,
all.
sir. Today I
Yeah.
see SC board result.
Yeah. Hello, Subhasri.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
I have written a paragraph using yesterday phrasal verb. May I?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Then second session I will